Here are the new switches for driver's door handle. You can find them below in the video description. Tools and parts needed. Trim removal tool, switch panel. You can find all these tools and parts below on the video description. You can find trim removal tool set like this in the video description below. You may notice that the switches are very worn and not working properly, so we decided to replace them with the new ones. One, pull up on the inside driver's door handle to remove it from the clips. Start from the front first. You can use a try removal tool to carefully pry the handle off. Do not use excessive force to avoid breaking the clips. Two, disconnect the two connectors and then remove the handle. Three, remove the old switches and replace them with the new ones. Four, connect the two connectors back. Before reattaching everything, turn on the ignition and test the operation of the windows, up and down, to make sure everything is working properly. 5. Reinstall the handle on the driver's door. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe where you can send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.